Good morning, friends. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. So, it was a decisive action by the Indian Armed Forces over the weekend, and we have seen since then the tensions cooling off across the border. So, the GIFT Nifty today indicating a big gap up opening of 450 to 500 points. So, that will be the start for our markets. अगर ग्लोबल डेवलपमेंट्स की बात करें तो यूएस चाइना ट्रेड टॉक्स भी प्रोग्रेस कर रही है. प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप ने कहा कि 80% टैरिफ ऑन चाइना इज रीजनेबल. सो वील सी हाउ द टॉक्स प्रोग्रेस, बट मोस्ट लाइकली a trade deal between US and China looks possible now post the US UK trade deal also getting done last week. Russia-Ukraine truce talks are also likely to happen this week, most likely on Thursday. So, Putin has proposed a 30-day ceasefire between the two countries in order to hold truce talks. So, three positive developments which were bothering the markets. So, overall, आज एक पॉजिटिव डे रहेगा. डाउ फ्यूचर्स भी 400 पॉइंट्स गैप अप इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं आज यूएस मार्केट ओपन में. तो ओवरऑल ग्लोबल क्यूज भी पॉजिटिव है. Due to the tensions going down, the gold prices are at a 1 week low. This is the international prices, and Brent crude prices have recovered and now trading at $64 per barrel. Coming to the results reported on Friday and on Saturday. So Dr. Reddy's reported a strong set of numbers. Swiggy, the numbers were weak. The losses have widened, and the losses were higher than the consensus estimates. So expect a negative reaction for Swiggy. ABB, the numbers were weak, and the revenue growth was the weakest in last many quarters. So expect a negative reaction for ABB India as well. GE Shipping, the numbers were weak. Profit down almost 60% as free trades were lower, and that has impacted GE Shipping. Thermax also, the numbers were a miss. C Infosystems or Mapma India, decent numbers with 34% revenue growth, 28% PAT growth. Expect a positive reaction. Birla Corp, the numbers were decent. Improvement seen in the realizations. So this cement company also should react positively today. Manappuram, the numbers were weak. Navin Fluorine, very strong set of numbers, and the commentary and the outlook was also pretty good. So expect a positive opening for Navin Fluorine. The stock in any case has been rallying. Jupiter Lifeline Hospitals, a weak set of numbers as profit growth was not there. Borosil Renewables EBITDA was in profit, while the losses at the net profit level have now narrowed. So Borosil Renewables continuing to turn around. Expect a positive reaction. Triveni Turbine, strong set of numbers. Aarti Pharma Labs, strong set of numbers. Coming to other stock specific news, so pharma stocks will be in focus today. So apart from the good numbers reported by Dr. Reddy's and Aarti Pharma Labs, but the thing that will overshadow these good earnings is that President Trump has signed an executive order to reduce the drug prices in the US, and this will have an impact on the pharma sector today in India. तो pharma stocks एक negative reaction देख सकते हैं आज, पर्टिकुलरली जेनरिक नेम्स लाइक लुपिन, सिप्ला, डॉक्टर रेड्डी, सन फार्मा, ये सब कंपनीज पे इम्पैक्ट रहेगा. मार्जिन्स आगे जाके प्रेशर में आने के चांसेस है अगर ये ड्रग प्राइसेस यूएस में रिड्यूस होते हैं. तो इसके चलते एपीआई कंपनीज पे भी आज प्रेशर आ सकता है. तो ओवरऑल फार्मा सेक्टर आज नेगेटिव में रहेगा. In terms of the key results today that will be getting reported, so Tata Steel, SRF, UPL, Kims, PG Electroplast, Carborundum Universal, Chalet Hotels, Aether Energy, the company which got listed last week, will be reporting its Q4 numbers today. Raymond and Raymond Lifestyle, PVR Inox, Zaggle Prepaid, Sagar Cements. So many other companies also will be reporting their numbers today. पूर्वांकरा विल बी इन फोकस। कंपनी ने एक जेवी अग्रीमेंट साइन किया है 25 एकड़ लैंड पार्सल के लिए इन नॉर्थ बैंगलोर, एंड इसका टोटल ग्रॉस डेवलपमेंट वैल्यू रहेगा 3300 करोड़। तो पूर्वांकरा के लिए पॉजिटिव रहेगा। सोलारा एक्टिव फार्मा को यूएस एफडीए इंस्पेक्शन का कंक्लूजन मिला है, तो अंबरनाथ फैसिलिटी इंस्पेक्ट हुई थी एंड ज़ीरो फॉर्म 483 ऑब्जर्वेशंस है, तो पॉजिटिव रहेगा सोलारा एक्टिव के लिए। ग्लेनमार्क फार्मा, यूएस एफडीए ने इंदौर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट को ऑफिशियल एक्शन इंडिकेट किया है, तो ग्लेनमार्क फार्मा के लिए एक माइल्ड नेगेटिव, एंड ओवरऑल फार्मा सेक्टर भी आज नेगेटिव में रहेगा। BEML, द मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अप्रूव्ड लैंड अलॉटमेंट ऑफ अबाउट 148 acres land parcel to the company for expansion, so positive for BEML in the long term. So stocks in focus would be the pharma sector will be in focus today, along with some result reactions. Expect positive reaction for Navin Fluorine, for Borosil Renewables, while Swiggy and ABB will be on the weaker side. So that's it on the fundamental podcast today. Thank you for listening. Have a happy trading session.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.